Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve our worksheet expansion formulae. Now, students, first you have to fill all the details, that is, write your name, division, put date, and roll number. Please do fill this. Now, the first question given in your worksheet is expand by using formula. So, the first question is m minus 4 into m plus 6. Here students will use x plus a into x plus b formula, that is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So now students, just you have to input this x, our x is m and our a is minus 4 and b is 6. So we have to just input our this one values in the formula. So it will become m square plus in bracket minus 4 plus 6, close the bracket, m plus minus 4 into 6. So next step will become m square as it is. Now minus 4 plus 6 will give you plus 2 and into m, so plus 2m, then plus minus 4 into 6, it will give you minus 24. So we'll write down here minus 24. Moving to next question. What is given? 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t. Students, same formula you have to use, that is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b in bracket into x plus a into b. So you'll put, that is our x is 9x, a is your minus 5t and b is 3t. So it will become 9x the square plus in bracket minus 5t plus 3t into 9x plus, now in place of a into b, you'll write down minus 5t into 3t. So next step will become 9x the whole square will become 81x square minus, now here minus 5t plus 3t will give you minus 2t into 9x, then minus 5t into 3t, it will become minus 15t square. Now t into t will become t square. So now we'll multiply our middle term, that is 2t into 9x. So next step students, answer is 81x square minus 18xt minus 15t square. This is the answer. Now moving to the third one. What is given? K plus 4 the whole cube. Now k plus 4 the whole cube, we have to use the formula a plus b the whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So student will use this formula and will do. So here our a equal to k and b equal to 4. So we'll just put in place of a k and in place of b we have to substitute 4 in the formula. So it will become k cube plus 3 into k square into 4 plus 3 into k into 4 the whole square plus 4 the whole cube. So now we'll simplify, that is k cube plus, now 3 into 4 12, so k square, so it will become 12k square, then plus 3 into k into 4 square, so 4 square will become 16, 16 into 3 it will become 48k. Now plus then 4 cube, that is you'll get 64. So this is the answer. Now moving to the fourth one. What is given? 52 the whole cube. So we'll expand this. Let's first expand the number. So I'll write down as student 50 plus 2 the whole cube. Now you'll use the same formula a plus b the whole cube. So that is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here our a is 50 and b is 2. So we'll just put in the formula and solve. So it will become students 50 the whole cube plus 3 into 50 the whole square into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 the whole square plus 2 the whole cube. Just so now let's find out the values of it. So 50 the whole cube will become 125,000 plus 3 into 50 square. 50 square will become 2500 into 2. Now plus 3 into 50 into 2 square will become 4 plus 2 cube will become 8. So now let's multiply this part and this part. So next step, that is 1,25,000 plus 3 into 2500 into 2 will become 15,000 plus 3 into 50 into 4 will give you 600 plus 8. Now you'll carry out the addition between these numbers. So you'll get the answer, student, 140608. I hope you are getting it. Now let's move to our question number 2. This is also expand by using formula. What is given in the first one? 2p plus q plus 5 the whole square. So students, you will be using your formula a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So you'll just use this formula and solve this. It will become here our a is 2p, b is q and c is 5. So that it becomes easy to us to substitute. So it will become 2p the whole square plus q square plus 5 the whole square plus 2 into ab. So it will become 2p into q plus 2 into bc will become 2 into q into 5 plus 2 into ac will become 2 into 2p into 5. So just let's solve this. It will become 4p square plus q square plus 5 square will become 25 plus you will multiply this 2 into 2p into q. It will become 4pq plus 2 into q into 5 it will become 10q plus 2 into 2p into 5 it will become 20p. So we'll get here 20p. Now moving to the next one. What is given? 7m minus 3n minus 4k the whole square. It is also same formula we have to use, students. A plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So here our a is 7m, b is minus 3n and c is minus 4k. So just put it in the formula. You'll get 7m square plus in bracket minus 3n square plus minus 4k the whole square plus 2 into 7m into minus 3n plus 2 into minus 3n into minus 4k plus your 2 AC. So 2 into 7m into minus 4k. So let's simplify further. You'll get 7m the whole square will become 49m square minus 3n the whole square will become 9n square. Then plus minus 4k k the whole square will become 16k square. You'll multiply this, that is 2 into 7m into minus 3n. You'll get minus 42mn. Then plus now here 2 into minus 3n into minus 4k. So minus into minus, you know, it will become plus. So you'll just multiply the numbers. You'll get 24 and n into k nk. Then last part, that is 2 into ac you'll solve. That is 2 into 7m into minus 4k. You'll get minus 56 mk. So this is your answer. Now third one, student, a plus b the whole square. You have learnt in your 7th standard the formula a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. But we have to expand it. So let's expand. So it means a plus b the whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Two brackets means this is whole square. So now I have to multiply this two brackets. So let me split one bracket, that is I'll multiply a with the whole term a plus b and plus b with whole bracket a plus b. So our next step, a into a plus b into a plus b. Then students will just multiply. A into a will become a square. Then plus a into b will become ab plus a into b ab plus then b into b square. Now we can see there are like terms in the center over here, ab plus ab. So we can do addition of these two like terms. So next step will become a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you know formula a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now students, let's move to our fourth one. 2m minus b the, 2m minus 5 the whole cube. Now student, here you have to use a minus b the whole cube. So the formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here our a is 2m and b is 5. Now you'll not take a negative because already the formula is for negative 1. A minus b the whole cube. So here b will be 5. Now we'll just put in the place of a 2m and b we have to put 5 and we have to find out. So it will become 2m the whole cube minus 3 into 2m the whole square into 5. Then plus 3ab square. So it will become 3 into 2m into 5 the whole square. Then minus b cube. So minus b is 5. So 5 cube. Now we'll solve this. So 2m the whole cube will become 8m cube minus 3 into 2m square. So 3 into 2m square the whole square will become 4m square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 the whole square will become 25. Then minus 5 cube will become 125. Now we'll multiply this center two terms because there is multiplication. So let's first simplify this two terms. So what will become students? 8m cube minus 3 into 4m square into 5 will give you 60m square plus then 3 into 2m into 25 will give you 150m and minus 125 will write down as it is. So this is the simplification. You have find out you have expanded 2m minus 5 the whole cube equal to 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. Now students, moving to the next sum. What is given? A minus b the whole square. If you know a minus b the whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. You will get this answer, but let's do by expanding it. So a minus b into a minus b. This means a minus b the whole square means 2 times these terms are multiplied. A minus b into a minus b. Then let's split one bracket and multiply to this whole bracket. So a into a minus b into a minus b. So a into a will become a square. Then plus into minus minus, a into b ab. Then minus into plus minus sign, a into b ab. Then minus into minus you'll get plus. So b into b square. Now student, you can see in middle minus ab are like terms and they have same sign. So we'll carry out addition between these two terms. So it will become a square. As the sign is minus, so you have to put minus, and ab will become 2ab plus b square. Now student, moving to the next sum. 58 whole cube. I can write, I'll expand this number as 60 minus 2 the whole cube. So we'll use your formula a minus b the whole cube. So it will become a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So just here our a is student, a is 60 and b is 2. So we'll put in the formula. So that will become 60 cube minus 3 into a square will become 3 into 60 the whole square into 2 plus 3ab square will become 3 into 60 into 2 the whole square minus b cube will become minus 2 raised to 3, that is 2 the whole cube. Now student, let's simplify and find the answer of this. So it will become 60 the whole cube will give you 216000 minus 3 into 60 the whole square will become 3600 into 2, then plus 3 into 60, then 2 square will become 4 minus 2 the whole cube will become 8. Now we'll multiply here the middle terms. We'll carry out first multiplication. So next step will become student 216000 minus 3 into 3600 into 2 will give you 21600. Then plus 3 into 60 into 4. If you multiply this, you'll get 720. Then minus 8 as it is. So now you'll carry out addition and subtraction between this number. So you'll do operation of addition and subtraction. So you'll get final answer 195112. Now student, third question, what is given? Simplify. Now first question is p plus q the whole cube plus p minus q the whole cube. Now here we have to use both the formula a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. So a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So for this we'll put that formula. So it will become p cube plus 3p square q plus 3pq square plus q cube, close the bracket, plus now for p minus q the whole cube we'll put p cube minus 3p square q plus 3pq square minus q cube. So we'll open the brackets. So it will become p cube plus 3pq square q plus 3pq square plus q cube plus p cube. As it is plus, it will open with the same sign. So minus 3p square q plus 3pq square minus q cube. So you know students, here you can see this is like term p cube plus p cube. Both are with same sign. So they will add up. Now can you see 3p square q and here minus 3p square q. So this will cancel each other. So here we'll cancel this term. Opposite sign will get cancelled. Now here you see student 3pq square plus and plus 3pq square. Both are with same sign and same coefficient. So they will add up. Now p cube, this one, sorry, plus q cube and here minus q cube. So this term will also get cancelled students. Okay. Now we'll add up the like terms, that is p cube plus p cube. It will become students 2p cube plus 6p q square plus 3pq square plus 3pq square will add up to students 6pq square. Okay. Now students, let's move to the next sum. What is given in next sum students? 4a minus 3 the whole cube minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube. We'll use the same formula, a minus b the whole cube formula and a plus b the whole cube formula. So the first part let's solve, that is in bracket will for this you will solve, that is 4a minus 3 the whole cube, it will become 4a the whole cube minus 3a square b, you will write down 3 4a the whole square into 3 plus 3 into, here we write ab square, so a is 4a into b square, so you'll write down that is 3 square into minus b cube, so 3 the whole cube. Now your middle sign is minus, so you'll put minus. Now here you'll use a plus b the whole cube, so 4a the whole cube plus 3 into 4a the whole square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 the whole square plus 3 the whole cube. Now let's do simplification further. Equal to, now 4a the whole cube students will become 64a cube minus 3 into 4a the whole square will become 16a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 square will become 9 minus 3 the whole cube will become 27. Put minus center, that is minus. Now let's solve this part, second term bracket, that is 4a the whole cube will become 64a cube plus 3 into 4 the whole square will become 16a square into 3 plus 3 into 4 into 3 the whole square will become 3 into 4a into 3 square will become 9 plus this 3 cube will become 27. Now let's remove the terms from the bracket. So now what will become 64a cube? The first term bracket will open as it is with the same sign. So 64a cube. Now let's multiply 3 into 16 into 3. You will get minus 144a square plus 3 into 4a into 9. You will get 108a minus 27. Now in second part you have to remember, here it is minus students. So the first term is with plus. So it will become plus into minus minus, that is 64a cube. Now minus and this term is plus. So you will get here, and students, yeah, this term will become minus over here. Sorry, it will become here sign minus. You'll put here student minus sign. Sorry. Okay. Now it will become minus. Now it will become 3 into 16a square into 3. It will become 144a square. Now plus into minus will give you minus. Now 3 into 4a into 9 will give you 108a. Now plus into minus, it will become minus. Then it will become, that is 27 will come as it is. Now students, can you see that here we have like terms, that is 64a cube. Now here also minus 64a cube, but they are with opposite sign. So this term will get cancelled. So you'll cancel these and this. Okay. Now students, can you see minus 144a square? And here also I said you to put this minus. Okay. Minus 144a square. So here minus 144a square and 144a square. So both are with same sign. So they will not cancel each other. Now here plus 108a minus 108a. So it will cancel opposite sign. So we'll cancel this terms also, student. Now what is left? Minus 27 and minus 20. Both are with same sign. So it will also not get cancelled. So our next step will just add up our like terms. So minus 144a square and minus 144a square will become minus 288a square. And minus 27 and minus 27 will become, students, minus 54. So now let's move to our next part. So what is next sum? Next sum is t plus 2m plus n the whole square plus t minus 2m plus n the whole square. We'll use, student, here formula a plus b plus c the whole square, and here also same formula a plus b plus c the whole square. So what is formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So let's first simplify the first part. Put in bracket t square plus 2m the whole square plus n square into 2ab. So 2 into t into 2m plus now 2bc. So 2 into 2m into n plus 2 into ac. So t into n. Now middle sign is plus, so we'll put plus here. Now second part will solve. So it will become t square plus minus 2m the whole square plus n square plus 2 into ab. So we'll write down 2 into t into minus 2m plus 2bc. So 2 into minus 2m into n. 2bc plus 2 into ac. So we'll write down 2 into t into n. Now further let's solve this. It will become t square plus 2m the whole square will become 4m square plus n square as it is plus 2 into t into 2m will give you 4tm plus 2 into 2m into n will give you 4mn plus 2 into t into n will give you 2tn. Close the bracket, plus sign. Now second part will solve. T square plus minus 2m the whole square will give you 4m square plus n square plus now 2 into t into minus 2m will give you minus 4tm. Then 2 into minus 2m into n will give you minus 4mn plus 2 into t into n will give you 2tn. Now let's remove brackets. Remove the terms out of the brackets. So here it will come out as it is because your middle sign is plus. So there will be no sign change in the second part. So you'll get t square plus 4m square plus n square plus 4tm plus 4mn plus 2tn plus t square plus 4m square plus n square minus 4tm minus 4mn plus 2tn. Now can you see, students, here two terms are similar. T square here also, t square here also. Now both are with same sign, so it will not get cancelled. Here also 4m square, here also 4m square with same sign, not cancel. 4 so this one plus n square, here also plus n square, it will not get cancelled. Now can you see this 4tm and here minus 4tm, so this term will get cancelled. So we'll cancel, both are with opposite sign. Now here 4mn and here also minus 4n, both are with opposite, will cancel this term. So you have to also cancel. Now plus 2tn and here also plus 2n, it will not cancel. So now remaining like terms will add. So you will get, students, t square plus t square 2t square, 4m square plus 4m square 8m square, n square plus n square you will get 2n square, and this one 2tn plus 2tn you will get 4tn. So this is your answer for this expansion. Now fourth one. What is given in fourth one? X minus 2y plus 3 the whole square plus x plus 2y minus 3 the whole square. Same formula, a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. You will use this formula for the individual, this two brackets, and we'll solve. So our next step will be, students, put bracket x square plus minus 2y the whole square plus 3 the whole square plus 2 into x into minus 2y plus 2 into minus 2y into 3 plus 2 into x into 3. Just you have to use the formula and just substitute it. Plus the middle sign plus, so we will put here plus. Now next bracket I'll solve, that is x square plus 2y square plus minus 3 the whole square plus here 2ab, so 2 into x plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into minus 3 plus 2 into x into minus 3. Now let's multiply, simplify. So x the whole square, x square plus 2 minus 2y the whole square will become 4y square plus 9 minus 2 into minus 2 it will become minus 4 x into y xy, then plus 2 into minus 2y into 3. So it will become plus into minus, minus sign, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12y. So minus 12y. Now this part 2 into x into 3. So 6x. So this part you solve. Put plus sign at the center. Then let's solve this bracket. That is x square plus 2y square will become 4y square minus 3 the whole square will become 9. Now plus 2 into x into 2y will become plus 4xy. Then 2 into 2y into minus 3 will become minus 12y. Plus 2 into x into minus 3 will become minus 6x. Now we'll remove the terms out of the bracket. So we'll get x square plus 4y plus 9 minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x plus x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. So can you see here, student, x square and x square both are with same sign, so it will not get cancelled. 4y square plus 4y square will not get cancelled. Plus 9 will not get cancelled. Minus 4xy and plus 4xy opposite sign, so it will, this terms will get cancelled. So just cancel this terms. Okay. Now minus 12y and minus 12y both are with same sign, so it will not get cancelled. Plus 6x minus 6x, this also are with opposite sign, so this term will also get cancelled, student. So now we'll just group the like terms and then add the terms. So you'll write down x square plus y square plus y square plus 9 minus 12y minus 12y. Just we have brought the like terms together. So now it will become easy to add. X square plus x square 2x square, 4y square plus 4y square 8y square plus 9 18, and minus 12y will give you minus 24y. This is the answer. Now student, moving to the last part, that is question number 5th, expand the formula. Just you have to write the formula. So what is the first one? A plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula, student? A square minus b square. Second one, x plus a, x plus b. So what is the formula? X square plus a plus b in bracket into x plus ab. I hope now you have learned the formula perfectly. Third, a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And the last one, a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Students, please do learn this formulas, because this formula is applicable in standard 9th also and standard 10th also. So I hope you understood. Again, we have a revision by doing this worksheet. So thank you. Stay home, stay safe.